If your brakes make this sound, stop riding. That grinding is metal on metal. Your pads are gone. And every stop from now on is grinding your rotor down, which costs 10 times more than pads. 3 more signs your brakes are dying. 1. The lever pulls all the way to the bar. 2. It feels spongy, like squeezing a sponge. 3. Your stopping distance got longer, and you didn't even notice. Check your pads. Less than a millimeter left? Replace them. Pads cost 10 euros. A crash costs a lot more. Save this and go check yours right now.